XAUUSD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about gold against dollar. Before we start the video, if you are new to our channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button on this video and press the bell notification so that you can keep getting notification about our next videos. And below the video, you'll find some links. It says join free Telegram. So if you want some free signals every now and then make sure you are into my Telegram. And then check out the brokers and the pro firms, sign up with them and start trading. Subscribe, like, everything is free. Let's do that. Come back to the chart, starting with the weekly chart in top-down approach. Let's go to weekly right there. We are above the EMA, strong uptrend. This red candle is going to be eaten by this blue candle today, this week, hopefully to continue the uptrend. Let's get back to Delhi. In Delhi, what do we have? Where is your sniper entry? This was your sniper entry. As soon this blue candle was eaten by this blue candle, that was your sniper entry in daily chart. In Delhi, we're going for this high. Okay, so in gold, in Delhi, if you're a swing trader, you are going for this high. So we have the potential to go up. Coming back to intraday traders for 4 hour, we are above the EMA. We are above the EMA. Where was your sniper entry? Your sniper entry was right here. Okay, pull back, then this candle is your sniper entry. We're going for this high. So next target profit is 3338. Okay, so if you enter this buy in gold right now, you can expect to exit out at 338 or 3340. Okay, that is gold for you. It's in uptrend, so only look for longs after each pullback in 4 hour. If you like what you see, subscribe, share the video, join the Telegram, and check out the links. I'll see you in my next. Till then, have a good one.